So hello guys, in this video we are going to learn how to use ChatGPT on your smartphone as an application. So first of all you will have to go to your Play Store and after that search ChatGPT. So you will see the first app. This is ChatGPT Smart AI Chatbox by AKX developers. Install it. The ChatGPT is installed in my smartphone. Now open it. So as you can see guys, you have to click on the continue to app, and after clicking on the next buttons you will see this ad and you have to cross it. As you can see guys, I have already signed up for the account on the ChatGPT. So first of all you have to get us account on the ChatGPT. So if you want to know that, then go to our that tutorial. The link will be provided in the description box, and I'll just click on the explore button and continue on click and continue again and again. And after cutting this ad, you will see I can able to ask anything like how was the weather of London, how was the weather of London today. And after skipping the ad guys, I can click on execute button and the chat GPT will show our results like this. The weather of London today was cloudy and hot. So we'll like or unlike and click on continue or change the model. So guys, if you like the video and you'll get any information, then please subscribe to our channel, and thanks for watching.